Well, we'll give this another go. Hello, everybody. I did try and record something a bit earlier today, and the microphone wasn't hooked up properly to the phone, so it didn't record properly, and yeah, it was all a bit of a nightmare, so it didn't quite work. So hopefully this time it's actually recording something and not just going to power off on me again like it did earlier. So yeah, hello, my name's Cam, and yeah, I'm going to start uploading some videos of my progress learning to ride a motorbike onto YouTube, and yeah, let's see how we get on. You know? I've been driving a car for the last 16 years, I think now, and I passed my CVT in May this year, I think it was, around May time. And then bought Honda CV125F. A month or so ago. And yeah. I'm learning to ride. I'm in my mid-30s, so I'm going to be going for the direct access at some point in the hopefully near future, depends on funds allow. Tell you what, the one thing that I wasn't expecting or didn't really realise the impact of when I started riding a bike was the wind. And not even like wind, because as you can see the trees are barely moving, it's not a windy day today. But wind resistance, not air resistance, it's just a bit mad really how I'll think we're back down to fourth. Yeah, it's just a bit mad really how windy it actually gets. And how much it sort of pushes you around on the bike. It can be quite unnerving as a new rider. Especially when you emerge from behind a tree line or something. To sort of this type of thing, and it's open and you know, it's just a bit what's the word, of a shock. So just through Silston in West Yorkshire, heading down towards Addingham. So a quick drive through Addingham, heading towards Bolton Abbey, and we'll see where the day takes us. One thing that you will notice that I don't do is I'm not checking doing my lifesavers, and I know I should be doing, and you know, I struggle to remember to do them. I think that just comes from being. I don't say that I don't. I do them if I'm changing lanes and stuff like that. You know, I'm thinking more in terms of a car where I've got more sort of around me to do all of this with. Anyway, I'll probably show up for a bit now and just do a bit of riding, maybe make this bit into a bit of a montage. So if I can do that, I don't know if I can edit that well enough to do that, but we'll see.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. Never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
He come down this way the other day and it was incredibly windy. So I'll see what it's like today. I imagine just as bad because it's a bit worse of a day today. But there is a bit of simming. That's good. There is a bike path just up here on the left any minute now. Which I'm sure I'll be going to at some point in the future, Route 59. Like I said earlier, I've been driving for about 16 years now, and going to something that's not powerful at all like this, which struggles to get to 60, but it finds that one on it. Yeah, he's... You gotta get used to changing gear a lot, just put it that way. This car's quite good, so I think I will take this junction off. They're coming with me as well, so felt like I struggled to get my turn then. Yeah, maybe a target fixation or something, but we got there in the end. Oh. I think that's one thing that you do maybe struggle with when you first learning is how fast can I go around the corner, how much can I lean, how much do I need to brake, because it's totally different to a car where you can just shove on a bunch of brake mid-corner and not really have a problem. But on the bike, I think it at least feels like you have to be more sort of conscious of what you're doing, be more careful in what you're doing. Obviously, so I'll cut this off at some point. I don't know exactly when, but. Yeah. This is where I need direct access. This road is all-in 60 miles an hour. Nice wide road, and yet people insist on sitting at 40, no matter what the weather, time of day. obviously. So if anyone does enjoy the video, I mean, I know there's not a lot to it, I'm not gonna lie, it's not doing anything exciting, just riding around, but if anyone does enjoy it and, you know, wants to leave a like, maybe subscribe to the channel, then I will be trying to put out more videos, probably try for 1 or 2 a week. I don't know how likely that will be. But yeah, we'll try and put something out each week, and yeah, it's just starting to rain. It's just in time. Does look a little bit grim, but yeah. So go over the train tracks. Yeah, I think we'll leave it there. So thank you very much if anyone did watch this. If anyone likes it, like I say, leave a like. Much appreciated if you do. Also, if you subscribe, much appreciated. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Thank you very much.